Hello folks. Okay, the next item we're going to look at is a battery charger, specifically for cameras that use lithium batteries. And I use this on my 4K video camera, which happens to be a Panasonic, for charging the batteries. And it uses 7.2 volt 1400 milliamp batteries, which look like this. And actually this charger comes in a kit. It includes the charger itself, an adapter kit in case you want to use the charger in your car. So that's the kit right there. And it's a pretty cool kit. I mean, you know, if you shoot video on these video cameras nowadays, you know that they can go through the batteries pretty fast. So it's always good to have a battery charger. It comes with 2 extra batteries as well as the charger, and like I said, an adapter in case you want to plug this into your cigarette lighter or something in your car. I'm sure you've seen these before. So you could plug this from your car also. That's a really good feature, and you know, and it was a pretty good price. Again, it's made by a company called Wasabi. I don't know if you could see that, but it's a Wasabi battery charger. So that's what that is right there. The Wasabi battery charger for lithium batteries for video cameras. They work on you know, several different brands. Mine happens to be a Panasonic, but they go on for they're compatible with these batteries are compatible with lots of other cameras. You just have to look them up and make sure they work with yours. This is a 1400 milliamp hours lithium ion battery. That's what this charger works with. So there's many chargers out there, different power ratings on different batteries. So make sure that your needs get the correct power ratings. So the way this adapter works here is, if you see on the charger, it has a little place for the adapter to go. You put it in here, there, just like that. This part goes into your car. You know, your car battery usually. You know, where it has the cigarette lighter thing. You know, so it's got a plug like this for, you know, where you plug in your iPod and things like that, and your charger. They look like this. I'm sure you've seen them on your cars. And that's how you access power to use the charger. And then what you do is, when you're charging the batteries, you just slip the batteries into the charger. And just be careful when you slip them in that you have the right side of the battery in the connection itself, in the connector itself. So that's all you have to do, but make sure you have the right ones. So that's the electronic prongs. And if you look at the charger, you'll see where the prongs go right there. You'll see the metal things right there. So you put the metal prongs right where this one is, and it snaps in place. You even have like a little arrow right there showing you which direction it goes in. And once it snaps in place, you can plug it in. Like I said, there's 2 ways to plug it in. You could either plug it in using this way right here, where you can plug it in using your car and it'll charge it, or you can use the conventional way if you have access to power, electric power. You use to a regular wall socket, and you can plug it in there. Now when you plug it in, there's a LED light that's on this that lights up and tells you whether it's charged or not. So let's plug this in just for demonstration's sake. So we will open up the little connectors. I have an extension here, and I'll plug it in here. I'm plugging it, and as you can see, the red LED light comes on. That means that it's not charged. And when it's charged, this red LED light that you see up here will turn green, and that means that it will be charged. But when it's red, that means the battery needs charging the way it is now. So see, if it's disconnected, you'll get no light at all. So make sure that you connect it so you can see the light. Like I said, so it's red, so it's not charged. And then when it's charged, it'll turn to green like that when it's charged. And when it's not charged, it'll turn to red. So when the battery's charged, just leave it in there and it'll turn to green when it's charged like that. It'll turn to green. So since this battery's not charged, when I put it in there, it'll turn to red. So that's how it works. It's pretty simple. And it's a pretty cool little kit. It includes the charger. Like I said, this charger. It includes the charger, these two batteries, and it also includes the connector that you can plug it in when you want to use it in your car. And like I said, let's fold this back up. It plugs in right on top here. You see the little hole for the connector, and that's where it plugs in. Same thing. Just look for the lights. It'll light up when it's charging, red or green. Anyway, so that's what the lowdown is on this charger. And again, this is the Wasabi battery charger. I believe the name of it is BTR-BLC12. That's the number that it says on the back there. If I can get this thing to focus, there you go. LCH-BLC12. That's the number of this battery charger. So the kit comes with these two batteries and the adapter so you can charge it in your car. Thank you very much and enjoy.